The bunny surprise. The bunny surprise. It is Easter morning. Bonnie finds an Easter basket. The basket is full of surprise candy, eggs, and jelly beans. The toys see a bunny in the basket. They think it's a new toy. Woody says, "Howdy." The bunny does not say hello. Mr. Potato Head makes a funny face. The bunny does not giggle. Mr. Pickle Pants sing and dance. The bunny does not clap or cheer. Rex and Trixie play a game. The bunny does not play alone. Dolly has a tea party. The bunny does not sip tea. It's the bunny sleeping but sounds his laser. The bunny does not wake up. Why don't the bunny want to play? Here comes Bonnie. Will she play with the bunny? Bonnie bites the bunny's ear. The toys are shocked. They see the bunny is not a toy. It is a chocolate bunny everyone loves. This Easter is full of surprise. The end. Bye.